It's Wednesday, December 31st, 2025, and it's officially about to be 2026, everybody. Are you excited? Comment down below if you are excited. We are entering a new year. That comes new weather, which we are going to experience some severe weather as we go into January. We're going to probably experience some more snowstorms, as we are going to have snow today, actually, so we got to dive into it. We're going to have some more severe weather into January as we move through, so we got a lot to talk about. Let's start off with this snow. Right now, we got some snow in our Ohio Valley mainly. Yes, there is some snow in our northeast. But look, this is going to get a little bit stronger. Let's take this as we are right now. This is currently right now. So let's look right here at, all right, this is going to be in Atlantic into our northeast in Ohio Valley. This is where we're going to see some snow right now, and we also got some snow over here in Minnesota, the Great Plains. Look, this is going to intensify actually today as we roll into the night. Let's look at this as our future model. This is going to pack together and bring some very strong snow actually to Chicago. We're going to have tons of snow drop, and this is going to bring to a lot of inches of rain and a lot of inches of snow too. Look, on this backhand side, we are going to have some rain, and that is going to lead to a couple inches. We're going to have the most significant spot is going to be in Chicago, where we are going to see almost a foot of snow. Yes, that is a lot, and we are going to have all this snow bunch up into Chicago, to New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and this is going to get stronger. Let's take this even further out. Let's see here. We are going to have basically this line of snow. If this was a severe weather situation, look, this would be kind of bad because, first of all, we'd be kind of dealing with a derecho with a lot of high winds. This is going to be kind of like a blizzard, where we're going to have a small spot, a small short period of time of 5 minutes, basically, of just fast, strong snow that's going to blast down onto the ground, and it's going to pile up a couple inches actually. Let's take this even further out. This line is going to keep its pace across the mid-Atlantic, and this is going to bring through the northeast. Look here. We got some rain on this backhand side in the Atlantic Ocean. Look, this low pressure system, it is not strong enough to call it a nor'easter, but we're going to have snow with this into Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont. This is going to bring a little bit of heavy snow. We'll pile up a few inches. We could actually see a couple feet of snow in some places in New York. We could see a foot of snow in high state Michigan. So we got to keep an eye on this snow system that is going to move through. It's just about to, this line will fade out into the night, and then we'll have a little bit more snow on this backhand side into Chicago, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. That's where we're going to see some snow tonight. We're going to actually have some freezing rain over here in North Dakota, Iowa, and Minnesota, where we could see some freezing rain ice. Now look, we got another marginal threat of severe weather for Southern California again. Look, this is going to be crazy because we had a tornado here on Christmas, and it looks like we might see a tornado here on New Year's actually. So we got a lot of crazy weather happening in California, and this is going to be pretty bad. We do have a 2% chance of seeing tornadoes, but let's look here at our excessive rainfall. We aren't going to really look at that because it's only a 2% chance of seeing some tornadoes. Now let's look here at our excessive rainfall. This is going to be for a slight risk of severe weather issued by the National Weather Service in Southern California. We could see maybe 1 or 2 inches of rain, but nothing really much. I mean, you don't have to worry about this that much. It's not like that moderate threat or high threat, which is we can't have one of those again. But this is something that we deal with in California. I've heard that we have evacuation orders in some places because of ground scars in these areas, so this is kind of bad, but this is not going to be good because we got mudslides, we got a couple inches of rain coming down, so we'll just have to keep an eye on this and see if it'll take a worse pattern. Let's look here at our temperature. We just updated this, and we are looking at a stronger, more pattern of our east coast, and this is going to bring for some warmer temperatures. Look here, in January we're going to experience some very warm temperatures, and we are going to have warm temperatures for basically the entire United States except our west coast. You're going to be around normal, but let's look. This is not really it's not gonna be that much cooler. All right, we are going to have near normal temperatures, but it's going to be warm for the entire United States. Like, this is it is going to get pretty warm out here, and it's going to stay very warm. It's going to be the warmest in the South, where we could see 70s, maybe even breaking a couple records possible. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not, make sure to subscribe. And we are going to be doing a live stream on New Year's, actually. So it is not going to be under this channel. It's going to be called Roblox with Logan. Yeah, I do some live streams on there with playing Roblox games or Fortnite. You know, I do some gaming and I do some live streams with my friends. We will be doing a countdown for New Year's, and we'll probably be ending the stream around 12 or something. Yeah, because we don't really want to stay up that late, and also it'll be the New Year's, so might as well go to sleep. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.